Hello, in this video, I will show one of the Prettier settings I always use. If you haven't watched my video about code formatting yet, watch it first, because this video is a continuation. It is simple. You just have to open the Prettier RC file and change the trailing comma property to all. Now, let's see the effect of this setting on formatting a JavaScript code. As you can see, the last comma of the JavaScript object is missing. Now, let's save the file and see what happens. The comma has been added. It's a small change, but trailing commas simplify adding, reordering, and removing items in objects and arrays. As the Prettier RC file has been modified, one last thing you can do is run the npm run format to apply the new formatting setting to all files in your project. And that's it. In future videos, I will cover more Prettier settings. If you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe. And if you want to see more videos like this, hit the like button.